In this video, we're going to be going over what polymorphism is and how we can use it in C++. So the first thing I want you to note is that we created a class that's called person, and it has one public function that says say hello. And all it does is print to the console, person says hello. Now let's go ahead and create a second class, one that's called policeman. And this one is going to inherit from person. So all we're going to do is go ahead and copy this function over here and paste it inside policeman. What you're going to notice immediately is that we have the exact same function as we have in person. And the point of polymorphism is that you can use this function with different classes to create different effects without having to give it a different name. So what we're going to do inside here is change this to policeman. And we're going to copy this one more time and place it under. And we're going to call this one YouTuber. And here we can just type YouTuber says hello. So now we're going to go into our main console and we're going to type in person is going to be a person object, policeman is going to be a policeman, and YouTuber is going to be a YouTuber. And just like that, we can go ahead and type in person say hello, policeman dot say hello, and YouTuber dot say hello. So we are using the exact same method for all three of these classes, and what polymorphism helps with is making it more specific to the class, letting us use the exact same function name, but of course printing a different result. And it's very simple to do and looks really clean. And I know this video is quite short, but it's actually a very simple concept, so there's not much more to explain. But as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.